Welcome back to the channel, guys. There is a chill in the air this week. There is snow back on the mountains, and that means ski season is upon us. We are at 8 Fletcher Court in the Highlands of Breckenridge today. It is a 4-bed, 6-bath, 6,651 square foot home sitting on 1.3 acres. So let's go check this one out. Entering this amazing home, the first thing you're going to notice is this grand entrance and then centerpiece staircase. It's a very traditional style home here in the Highlands of Breckenridge. The home is coming fully furnished, so likely these art pieces are going to stay, as well as this beautiful centerpiece wood here. This is like a really nice mantle for kind of putting, as you can see, the owner has a guest book right here. They use it for short-term rentals, so kind of showcase whatever art that you like. And then we've got vaulted ceilings with wood accents, an amazing chandelier. And from here, we'll go check out the main living area. In the living room, you're going to notice there is an ample amount of space to hang out and entertain your guests. Here we've got an amazing centerpiece table with these awesome leather couches. Again, very open, airy type of feel. And then as we move on into the living room, we've got this amazing stone fireplace, gas insert there. Again, more leather couches, plenty of seating space. We've got a chessboard off in the corner, and then you've got an abundance of natural light in the home, looking at Peak 8 and the rest of the Breckenridge ski resort, as well as the 10-mile range. The views here are absolutely incredible. So it is an amazing space to hang out with all of your friends and family. So now we're in the kitchen just off the main living area. And as you can see, there is tons of space for entertainment, cooking, prepping, everything that you want to do. You've got nice granite countertops here. We've got Sub-Zero and Thermador appliances, really nice gas stove, which is pretty tough to come by here in Breckenridge, so that's a very nice benefit. And then you've got a beautiful coffee bar, wine bar off to the side here. And then we open up to this amazing dining area, and it's kind of got a Renaissance feel to it with this Knights of the Round Table kind of dining setup. So, I mean, you could picture yourself here with all of your friends and family having an amazing Thanksgiving dinner. And then you've got this incredible tile fireplace here, this black accent with this wood mantle. Looks really, really good. Awesome art pieces, vaulted ceiling, beautiful ceiling fan. And then you've got a TV here for even more entertainment. So, I mean, again, this home is just incredible, although it does have a traditional style, very open floor plans, and you can have seemingly 100 people in this house hanging out and having a good time. And one of the coolest things about this dining area is we've got the hot tub just off of here. So just through this sliding door, got a commercial sized hot tub. And the beautiful thing about outdoor hot tubs is that when the snow is falling and you're outside just chilling out, it is like the coolest experience that you can have in the winters out here, especially after a long day of skiing. Chilling in a hot tub, snow falling, it is amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna head on to the rest of the home to check out the master suites. But first, I wanted to show you this really cool idea. As a quick side note, the owner does short-term rent the home, and they've got this digital guest book here. So you hit the home button there, and then you've got a guide for everything you could possibly need. Thought that was super cool. If you're ever looking to short-term rent a property, I thought that'd be a great idea. And before we head on to the rest of the bedrooms and the rest of the home, what do you guys think of the home so far? I think, you know, for a traditional home, it is incredible with all the open floor plans and a lot of space to hang out. And then you got these crazy good views of the 10-mile mountain range. So comment below what your thoughts are. So this is one of the first primary suites just off of the kitchen area. You can see we got a king size bed, amazing views of the mountains with abundant natural light as well. What's special about this one is that you've got a bathroom with access to the hot tub. So as soon as you're done soaking in the tub, come right in here, wash off before you ever even have to step foot in the rest of the home. So let's go check out the downstairs area now. All right, so now we are downstairs in the recreation room, and as you guys noticed, they have it set up to the T here. Foosball table, arcade station. They've got a really nice pool table, nice little poker table here, and then come on to the rest. They've got this hook game, which is one of my favorite. I don't know what it's called. You guys know what it's called? Comment below if you know what the name of this game is, but I do love this one. And then they've got a little wet bar area here. So it is perfect for hanging out, having a drink, kicking back, watching the game, hanging out with the family. Beautiful leather sectional here, TV set up with surround sound. And then you got still some pretty good views down here, but really is like a man cave to kind of come and hang out with all your friends. Yeah. All right guys, so one of the coolest features about this home is that it has a golf simulator. I have not seen any home with a golf simulator in it before, so definitely really cool. Let me know what you guys think of my golf swing. I'm not a golfer, you can tell. So now let's head upstairs onto the rest of the home. So we are now in the upstairs loft of the home. And as you notice behind me, we have a suite. To the right of me, we have a suite. And to the left of me, we have a suite. So we have all or most of the living space up here just off of the loft. So let's check out the rest of these en-suites. Okay, so this is probably the biggest of the primary suites. You've got a massive king bed with a custom bed frame, and then you've got these really nice loafer couches right in front of the fireplace. So perfect for kicking back and reading a book or doing a little bit of meditation. Got a nice sitting area here. They've got the TV and a custom drawer here. And then off to the side, we've got this massive walk-in closet, as well as the office, which they have set up as another bedroom because of the short-term rentals that they are doing right now. Obviously, if you were to buy the home, you can't get a short-term rental license according to the town of Breckenridge, but that's why they have this bedroom set up the way they do. And then off to the side here, we've got this incredible bathroom with abundant natural light, beautiful standalone tub with a fireplace right off the side, so super relaxing, and this incredible custom wood vanity with these stone sinks, and then the stand-up shower that is jetted, and then plenty of space for storage off to the side here. Now we're in the second primary suite upstairs, and as you can see, again, tons of space, big old king bed with the custom frame, an extra twin bed off to the side, big closet, and an ensuite, so you do have a full bath over there as well. Okay, and this is the third of the primary suites upstairs. Again, very mountain feeling with all the wood accents, green colors that match the pine trees outside very well, especially this time of year when it's fall. It's actually snowing outside, the leaves, all the colors joined together for an amazing feeling. Here, got a TV, custom drawer, walk-in closet, and again, ensuite, so you've got an amazing bathroom over there as well. Also, I wanted to mention the ample amount of outdoor living space here as well. As you can see, we've got a fireplace, a nice little hangout area, and then just behind us here, we've got views of the 10-mile range, and it is absolutely incredible. And you can see over there just how incredible it really is. Zoom in so you can see peak 1 and peak 2. Unbelievable. All right, guys, so we are now on the backside of the home where the garage is. You can see we've got plenty of parking space here for my 4Runner. There's a 2-car garage, and just on the 3rd bay, that's where the golf simulator is right now. And you're probably wondering why I'm in the woods, but cool little side note, they do have a little horseshoe set up right here, which is kind of fun. You can see the little pad there for the horseshoe. But then you just walk over to the side here. You've actually got premier access to hiking right out your back door. See my beautiful fiance over there hanging out with Summit, and he's running over here. Hey buddy, hey buddy. Guys, one of the bonus features of this house, we are literally steps away from hiking. Just out your back door, you have the Flume Trail, which is one of my favorite biking and hiking trails. And as you can see off to the side here, the home is less than 50 feet away from the hiking trail. So gear up, put your hiking shoes on, and get out to the trails right out your back door and onto the rest of the adventure here in Breckenridge. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I thought that was one of the coolest homes that I've had the opportunity to tour here in the Highlands of Breckenridge. You've got incredible open floor plan. You've got a golf simulator, which the owner is going to leave for the next buyer. You've got some incredible views of the 10-mile mountain range, and you have a private hiking trail in your backyard so you can get to all of the adventure that Breckenridge has to offer. If you guys want to learn all about living in and around Breckenridge, Colorado, my name is Anthony Soul. I'm with Sotheby's International Realty here in Breckenridge, and I'm happy to help you with all of your buying and selling needs. Feel free to email me or send me a text or give me a call, and we can start the process of finding your dream home here in Breckenridge, Colorado.